Alright, here's the boat. It's a 1971 Starcraft. We just picked it up. We got a 70 style 35 horse Johnson on it. Everything works, steering wheel, throttle, motor runs good. There's no interior, and it was pretty much completely gutted. And there's just carpet and old nasty carpet, so we just ripped that out. And we're going to start up and put new seats in it and clean this thing up. So a little bit of work. There's no back there. We're going to fill that in, carpet it. We already got seats for it. So going to be work in progress, but I think it'll turn out pretty good. Let's see how this thing cleans up. Here's the boxes we're going to be using. What we're going to do is we're going to be mounting the seat in the front right here, and then we got a swivel plate for underneath it, and then the back part, it's going to be a cushion that opens up and closes. So it's coming together bit by bit. Got to put the carpet on there and close it, build a cushion for this back here, and then it'll just be slapped right in there. 2 boxes with seats on the front and cushions on the back. That way we'll have a lot of room in the back here for fishing or whatever. Got the boxes made. Now we just need to mount some carpet on there, put the seat on, build the cushion, and then she'll be going in here. Of course, once we carpet this bad boy. It's a work in progress. So hey Tristan. Here's the boxes. They turned out pretty good. Alright, well we just got the sides carpeted. They turned out pretty good. I used 3M Super 77 adhesive, and it worked pretty darn good. What I did is I just did the bottom strip, let that dry, pulled the top strip down, and then stuck that. It worked pretty good. Really happy on how the sides turned out so far. And I just continued it all the way up in the nose of the boat, so that way it looks pretty good. Here we're mounting the swivel plates onto the bottom of the seats. Right now, let's get everything pretty tight, because this is the last time I'll be tightening it. So I went ahead and I put my bolts in after I mounted the swivels to the seat. Got my bolts like that. Make sure they're deep enough to go through your plywood, and you just set them in like that. And then you're going to try to line them up, and they'll go right into your holes and come underneath, and then put your nuts on the back. Swivel seats mounted, and yeah, they swivel around all the way around, so you could have them facing this way, towards the inside, whatever you want. I put the boxes in, and I wanted to offset the seat so that way you could push the boxes out to the side and have more room for an aisle in the middle. And then I just set the seat up for me, for my liking, but the swivel seats, they worked out great and I love them, I recommend them. Now it's down to painting the boat. We got one coat of white paint on it so far. And right now I'm just taping some stuff off here, and I'm gonna have some lines, and the back part's gonna be black. What I ended up doing was using Rust-Oleum paint. I sanded it down, and then I cleaned it up with acetone. And then I just got regular Rust-Oleum and applied one coat. I'm gonna be doing 2 coats at least here, just to make sure that it turns out pretty good. And the bottom's gonna be black, so keep you updated. We'll see how it goes.